How to create a gig on Fiverr. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you guys can create a gig on Fiverr. So without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First up, head over to Fiverr's website. It's fiverr.com, fiverr.com, and after you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account creating process is really simple and quick. So you can create an account, you can log in with the Google, and after you do that, you will need to switch your account into selling. Now, sometimes you'll find the selling option right here that says switch to selling. If you don't see it there, tap on your profile icon on the top right here, then tap on become a seller. After you tap on it, Fiverr will take you to become a seller option right here. So tap on become a seller, and after you tap on that, it will take you to this page right here. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to go through this. Here you can see if you become a seller you can publish your gig. So tap and continue again, and just keep doing that. After you do that, you'll now need to create your account. So you can create an account from here. Start typing in your name. You can add in your display name as well. If you want, you can add profile picture. Tap on it, select an image, and upload it. After you do that, you can then share about your work experience and everything. So let me just write in something random. Yeah. After you do that, select the languages that you speak. And after you do that, you can just go ahead and tap and continue at the end. Now choose an occupation right here. You can choose whatever you want. So I'll just write this here. So just go through all of this and fill out the form, and at the end tap on continue. After you've done that, you will then head over to account security section. Tap on continue after you've added your email and phone number. After you tap on continue right here, you can then create a gig. So tap on create a gig, and after you tap on it, now you will need to give a title for your gig. So let's say that I will do voiceovers. Let's just write an amazing voiceovers. And after you do that, you can then give a category right here. I'll just give it video and animation, and you can give a subcategory as well. So here, write a positive keywords which the buyers will use to look up for your service. So you can write here voiceovers, and you can write here, give it tags and stuff. Then finally tap on save and continue. So right here you will find the options, suggested categories as well. And now you can choose your language, gender, everything relating to your gig. So here, let me just choose English. Then after you've done with that, you can then give it positive keywords. So I'll just give it voice over here. Then tap on save and continue after you're finally done. After you tap on save and continue, you will then need to go to your scope and pricing. So here you can include words. So let's say for every 1,000 words, I'm gonna price it at, let's say, $10. And for additional words, I can, charge for each additional 100 words. I'm gonna charge, let's say, $2. So here you can see you can give it delivery time, you can give it upgrades as well if you want. Then finally tap on save and continue. After you fill all of that out and your pricing's done, you can then give a brief description for your gig, and then finally tap on save and continue. After you tap on save and continue, now you will need to give it requirements. So here you can get all the information you need from the buyers to get started. So you can ask your questions. So here you can request necessary details such as dimensions, brand guidelines, and so on and on. So here you can ask whatever you want. I'll just ask about the tone you need, and just tap on add. then tap and save and continue. And here are a few more options such as gallery and publish option. So I'll just leave it up to, I'll just leave it empty. And finally, after you're done with that, you will be on the publish option where you can publish your gig. And that's how you can publish a gig in Fiverr, guys. And that is all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and goodbye.